pretty bad. What I want to try to do is replace the whole P-trap. So I got this. Where is it? There it is. I'll show you how that works. Golly. That ain't good. That just snapped right off. That ain't good at all. Look at that. Wow. That is totally blocked. Holy mackerel. Well, that completely changes my plan. Well, all else fails, you can you can see the pipe in the wall. So, wow, that is crazy. Wow. Wow. I guess I don't have to really clean this out because I'm gonna try, and I would love to be able to take that nipple off, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. So look, I got this right here. This is a little pipe wrench. I've never used it actually. This is a perfect scenario. So basically this goes on the end of my water meter key. This just pops off. I'm gonna need 2 hands, and then I think I might be able to get it. Hold on, I'll show you. Basically it just goes on like that. And then you have all this leverage here to try and turn this guy off, because I ain't getting a pipe wrench back there, that's for sure. Alright, let's try. Oh, that nipple's just crushing. Look at that. It's coming out though. You see that? That just completely, it's coming out. Well, that's good. It's definitely coming out. Wow. I'm surprised. Really surprised. Might be loose enough. Wow. Got it. Got it. Well, that's good. Clean up those threads now to get a probably pipe tap. What is this, 1.5 inches? Wow. I think as soon as I put a little bit of pressure on this, I just felt the nipple just kind of crunched in there. You know, I've had multiple scenarios in which I needed this thing, and I've had it for years, and I forget. I sometimes forget I have tools, you know. But I've been in several situations where I've needed this exact thing, literally. And the only reason I'm using it today is because I saw some guy on Instagram using it like 2 days ago, and it just made me, I was like, oh yeah, I got that tool. That's one of the downsides of having a small truck, is everything is in its right place, and you kind of have to, you really have to stuff things in your truck to fit. And sometimes that means tools get buried, or you put them in places that you kind of forget about. But anyway, all right. Those threads might be fine. Okay, let's, I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna redo this whole thing. Okay, we got it all out. The threads in here are totally fine. So now, I hope I have 1.5 inch adapter. I really hope. And if I don't, I hope I have 1.5 inch nipple. I know I do in brass, but I would like a Galvy one. I'd like to not use a brass nipple. It's pretty expensive, especially 1.5 inch. But so I don't know if I really showed this very well, but basically, this is a meter key with the pipe wrench on the bottom, and it just gives you a ton of leverage to be able to spin pipe like that one. So anyway, all right, here I go. So that's out of a tubular. That's out of a tubular bag, and I usually don't use those. But I didn't have any ABS ones. You got to be careful with these because they're very thin. You can crack them. But I taped and doped that. I'm gonna do ABS for this. But let's get the. We're gonna go with a click style drain. This is a toughie. I'm gonna have to, luckily this is kind of offset, so I'm gonna have to pipe it like that. Yikes. So we're gonna have to put that guy right like that, and then yeah, that's what we'll have to do. Careful with that tubular. Here's our next problem. This is not offset enough, and I need to get this adapter, but I can't because the pipe is going to be in the way here. So what I may have to do, there's a couple of things I can do here. I could probably use some Street 22s and do it that way, just to get this on here. Or tubular is much thinner, as you can see. The difference in tubular is it's much thinner, right? So, but then I'd have to sacrifice another bag. I kind of want to go with some 22s and just bring it out just a little bit. I'm kind of, when I get into the ABS mindset, I want to stick with ABS, so let me go grab some 22s. Okay, so that works. We got a couple of 22s, street 22s in there. It just brings it over just enough that I can get this trap adapter in there. So we'll go with that, we'll do that. There you go. Couple of street 20 twomps. Twompy twomps. Oh. Okay. Will it leak? I don't see any leakies. I don't see any leaks. Let's test it a few more times, but I would say we're good to go.